As temperatures drop outside this winter, you don't want to be left with a chilly house and high energy bills. Window World offers both durability and energy efficiency with all of our window products to keep you comfortable year-round. Let me show you what I mean. Right now, both sides of the glass hold the same temperature. But what about those cold winter nights? Let's cool things down a bit and see what happens with these Window World windows. So, while the exterior glass is at a freezing -5 degrees, the interior glass remains at a cozy 72 degrees. That's a substantial difference in the solution to your home's window energy inefficiency problems. Just imagine the comfort and cost efficiency you can experience in your home and out of the cold with Window World's energy efficient windows. To learn more and to get your free estimate, contact us today and experience the premium quality and design of Window World.